The vivo X300 series is official. It includes two phones, X300 and X300 Pro. Both of them are powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC. The vivo X300 Pro gets updated Zeiss triple rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel main Sony LYT828 main 1x1.28 inch sensor with f1.57 aperture and gimbal OIS. It has 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 ultrawide, which is very sad. A new 200 megapixel 1x1.4 inch Samsung HPB sensor. In front, you get a 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 sensor, which is an upgrade over last year's 32 megapixel. It's powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC with vivo's V3 Plus imaging chipset, 16GB of RAM, 512GB of storage with 6510 mAh battery, support for 90-watt wired and 40-watt wireless charging. The battery size is very poor because all the other Chinese flagship are coming with 7000 plus mAh battery. They have improved the wireless charging speed to 40 watt. It has a 6.78 inch 80 LTPO display with 120Hz refresh rate with 1.5K resolution, supports HDR10 plus. Dolby Vision has ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It weighs the same as last year, 226 grams, 7.99 mm thick, so it's slimmer than last year, offering IP68-69 rating. It's available in black, brown, blue, and white color. It'll have dual stereo speakers, Bluetooth 6, USB Type-C, 3.2 Gen 1 port, Wi-Fi 6. It runs on Android 16 based Origin OS 6. The X300 has the same processor, but it comes with a smaller screen, 6.31 inch 80 LTPO AMOLED screen with 1.5K resolution, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It gets 60-40 mAh battery with the same charging speeds. It comes with 200 megapixel primary camera with 1x1.4 inch sensor size f1.68. It has 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 APO telephoto camera and 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 ultra wide. The JN1 sensor is used for the front camera as well. It weighs 190 grams and is 7.95 mm thin. It offers IP68-69 rating, available in black, blue, pink, purple color. It comes with Origin OS 6 based on Android 16, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, dual band Wi-Fi 6 and dual stereo speaker. The vivo X300 Pro is priced at $745 for base 12 to 56GB variant, and 16 512GB variant is $845. The 16 1TB model is $945. The base X300 starts at $620 for the basic model. 16 256GB is $660. 12 512GB variant is $700, and the top of the line 16 1TB model is $845.